Yes, children. Now about this column I was talking in the last video, that here second column is made for uses. Means first column is for name of the salt or bases, and second column is use of those salts and bases. So let's see. Table salt, common salt or sodium chloride, means NaCl. You know that this salt generally we use in our kitchen. So this salt is used for food seasoning as a preservative of pickles. Means you know that this table salt we use to add in our food. Daily when we cook food, we add that salt in our food, and also we use this salt for preservative for our pickles. Means if we put salt in the pickle, then we can store this pickle for a long time. Means this salt prevent the growth of bacteria, fungus, etc. kind of microorganisms, so that our pickles will not be spoiled easily. Okay, so next is sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. Here formula is also given, NaHCO3. This is the formula of sodium bicarbonate or baking powder. So baking powder is used in cakes, you know that, as a leaving agent for cakes, and also in the fire extinguishers. You know that when anywhere fire causes, that we use this fire extinguisher to stop that fire, and also we use this baking powder in cakes. Without baking powder it's very hard to make cakes. Okay, so after this, hydrated sodium carbonate or washing soda, its formula is Na2CO3 and 10H2O. This washing soda is used for washing purpose, and also in the manufacture of detergents, glass, soap, paper, textiles, and also for softening water. Means to make the water soft. Hard water, when so many salts are present in our water, drinking water, that water is called hard water. So to make it soft we use washing soda. And next is potash elm. Potash elm is used as water purifier. Okay, potash elm is its Hindi name is fitkari. Okay, and ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3. This is used in fertilizers, to make fertilizers. You know children, what are the fertilizers? These are the chemicals which increase the growth of crop plants. Means generally farmers are used in their field to get more and more production from those crops. So they are used, that ammonium nitrate is used in fertilizers. Next is silver nitrate or lunar caustic, AgNO3. So it is used in photography for developing films. Okay, so children, these are the name of the salts and their uses and their functions in various fields. So after this, here they have given fill in the blanks. First one is, dash is the general term used for substances formed by the reactions of an acid with a base. So salts is the general term which is used for substances formed by the reaction of acids with a base. You know that when acid react with base, then salts are formed. Second is reaction between vinegar and baking soda is a neutralization reaction. This I have shown you through the activity also. And third is slaked lime is used in farms to neutralize the soil acidity. Dash means potash elm is used in the purification of water. Just now we have seen that. Sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. So, children, these are the fill in the blanks. And after that, neutralizing reactions in everyday life. So, here they have given some of the neutralization reactions, means examples of neutralization reactions which are important in our daily life, and daily life we can see these reactions. So first one is indigestion. We have already studied in this chapter. Then whenever any kind of acidity is there in your stomach, you feel acidity, because in our stomach you know that there is a secretion of acid, hydrochloric acid. So sometimes when we take many acidic things and our stomach also produce acid, that time what will happen, we feel acidity. Okay, so our stomach secretes acid to digest food. Sometimes the stomach may secrete too much acid and one may suffer from indigestion involving a burning sensation in the chest. Then an antacid helps neutralize the acid and brings relief. So that time during the problem of acidity, what we do, we use any antacid. Means either you can use some syrups or tablets which are act as an antacids. Okay, means which act against the acids and they neutralize those acids which are present in the stomach, and we may get relief. Okay, so this is one of the best example of neutralization reaction. Means what is neutralization reaction? When base react with acid or acid react with base, then that reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, second example is insect stings. जब कोई भी इंसेक्ट आपको काट जाता है या बाइट कर देता है, जैसे मस्कीटो या एंट्स, ओके एटसेट्रा. सो व्हेन एन ant bites, it injects formic acid into the skin. The effect of the sting can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine lotion which contains zinc oxide. Children, this is a common thing. Maybe your mother is also doing this thing. Means when any of the insect bite us, then we should rub baking soda. We should rub the moist baking soda or means apply the baking soda, moist baking soda on our affected area, so that after some time we may get relief. Because when any insect will bite us, then what will happen? They inject some kind of acids, like here they have given name of formic acid. Means ants always inject formic acid in our skin. So because of this formic acid we get irritation and we again rubbing that part. So to avoid this problem, we should use baking soda and apply baking soda on that, so that we may get relief. And this is the second thing. Here also we are doing neutralization reaction, because against this acid we are using baking soda, which is a base. Okay, so next example is soil treatment. As already we know that here we have already studied that quicklime or slaked lime is used to neutralize the acidic soil. Okay, when soil is so much acidic, or we can say too basic, that time we treat by using quicklime or slaked lime. Okay, but this is for slaked lime or quicklime is for acidic soil. But if the soil is basic, so organic matter is added which releases acids and neutralize the soil. Means that time we use some kind of organic matter. Organic matter means the matter which is obtained from plants. Okay, that matter we add in the soil so that they can release the acids, and that the reaction neutralize the soil, means neutralize that bases which are present in the soil. And in this way we can do the soil treatment. Understand? So this is also one of the best example of neutralization reaction. Second is wastewater neutralization. Children, wastewater is also treated to make it fit for cleaning purposes or other purposes. So let's see, waste coming out of industries discharge into water bodies contain acids which can harm aquatic life. This wastewater coming out of industries is treated with calcium hydroxide or slaked lime to neutralize the acid before meeting water bodies. You know children, when any industries or in the factories they use water to wash their products, or to wash the machines also, where different kind of materials are manufactured, and when they discharge that water which is wastewater, and that water contains many kind of acids, if that wastewater directly goes to the water bodies, then it can cause harm to the water animals or water plants also. Okay, so what we do, first of all, that water should be treated by using calcium hydroxide or slaked lime. And after this treatment is neutralization reaction. Means here calcium hydroxide or slaked lime is a base. So this base is added to the that wastewater which contain acids, and when this base react with those acids which are present in the wastewater, that will mark the effect of acids. Okay, so they will neutralize the action of acids. So this is called neutralization reactions. So after this we can use that water properly. Okay.